Hi, my name is Michael from Adelaide, South Australia. In this video, I'll be talking about the musical buzzer workshop. If you haven't seen the previous video, I discussed music and sound. You can find it in the corner where the I is. Now, I'll go through the components before we get started. So, this here is a microchip board, and this thing here is actually the microchip. Now, the board is basically like a holder for the microchip. And if you think about something this way, our brain is like a supercomputer. And the microchip, it's kind of like a mini computer. Quite small compared to our brain, you know? And so, we can program things into the microchip and also attach things into the port. Now, devices will be attaching. One of them is called a buzzer. Now, a buzzer uses a thin sheet of metal that vibrates at high speeds to create a certain sound. Now, if you leave it on for a long time, it actually gets quite annoying. So make sure you have access to the off switch. And this here is called a potentiometer. It's like a little dial. A metaphor you could use, I guess, is a tap or like a dam, you know? It's like a tap controls the water flow, and how much you open the tap is how much water that comes out. Now, this is a voltage driver. It controls voltage instead of water, and how much you turn it is how much voltage gets through. I'll be talking more about it further through the video. So, with that covered, oh yeah, by the way, this is a data cable. It's used to transfer data from the laptop, which we'll be programming on, into the board. Now with that covered, we can take a look at some of the coding.